Video product review of the ARES 70,000, that is 70000, 3-inch impact grade socket adapter set. Turns your impact drill or driver into a high-speed socket driver. We have the 1/4 inch, the 3/8 inch, and the 1/2 inch. Is that 3 inches? I don't know if that's 3 inches. This thing says 3 inches. I was just thinking, come on, my eyes can't be that off. 3-piece multi-drive 3-inch. So I like when companies are really honest with me. And we're going to look over here at the first one, and we're a little over 2.5 inches lie. We're looking at this one, we are a little 2 3/4 inches lie. We're looking at this one over here, 2 1/4 inches. So they lied to us. They lied to me, saying that it was a 3-inch impact. Yes, they're right that it's a three-piece, but come on, don't lie to people. So I'm going to put the review on. I can't talk about the quality. I'm not happy that they literally came out and lied on the package and lied in the advertising. Shame on you. Why in the world would you do that? Even lying on the label. It's not. Or is it maybe 3-inch? Are they saying that it's an inch? No, because this thing says 3 inches. I just got tired of having an impact driver where all I can use it for is screws. I really want to buy an adapter for drills, but I haven't done that. But I can't use sockets because I don't have this thing. For $8, okay, what do you expect? You spend $8, they lie to you. They're not going to be happy if they see this video. Do I care? No. Don't lie to people. Don't lie to people. Why not just say this is less than 3? Why even put the length of it? They sell one that's 6 inches, 12 inches, a 6-piece that's 3 inches, a 6-piece that's 6 inches. I don't know if I would trust any of those dimensions now. How do you trust a company that doesn't tell the truth? $8, what do you want? I'm going to be able to... I'm looking at this thing saying, is that really 1/2 inch? I don't know. I've got a 1/2 inch socket. And yeah, I guess that's 1/2 inch. That will go into the socket head. Okay, so if you want to be able to use your impact driver with your sockets, you're going to need an adapter like this. And this just pops into the socket. It's got the little ball over there like most socket sets have. It's got the 1/4 inch shank, so you can pop this in your impact driver, which always has usually has a 1/4 inch drive. Or you can even put this in your drill or your driver. You could probably put this on the old style hand drivers, drill sets, and crank along. And I'm going to need this because I'm going to be doing some fence work with 2 bolts, and I figured for $8 I'd rather buy this thing. So made by ARES, socket adapter set. Check out the video description. I will leave an affiliate link if you want to buy that, or this if you don't want to buy it. Let me look at the rating. What's the rating on this thing? 81% for 9,000 views, 9,000 ratings. So this company has got a very, very, very nice product. I just don't like that they put 3 inches in here. Let me make sure. I don't want to be saying things that aren't accurate. Let's get this out here again. We're at the 3. That's definitely not going from 1 to 3. And that isn't either. And this is definitely not. So take the 3 inches off. Come on, people. But it looks like it's going to be a good product, and that's why I'm sharing this video with people, because we all need to find stuff that's good. Corrosion resistant. That's what I'm looking for. If it wasn't corrosion resistant, I never would have bought it. Oh, yes, I would have. 1/4 inch drive, adapts sockets to impact wrench, power drills and drivers. Latiga Day, 1/4, Po, Adapte, less. Do we see these ox? Is that French? Heat-treated chrome vanadium, steel construction, designed for impact use, meets or exceeds ANSI standard. Okay, so it's obviously a quality product. Get rid of the 3 inches. Thanks for watching.